Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves keeping your nails in tip-top shape, then you're probably no stranger to the importance of cuticle care. Well, today, we have something that promises to take your nail game to the next level. We're diving into the OPI ProSpa Nail and Cuticle Oil, a product that's been making waves for its ultra-nourishing formula. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. This 9ml bottle might look small, but it packs a punch. OPI's ProSpa Nail and Cuticle Oil is designed to help hydrate, protect, and strengthen the nails and cuticles, ensuring healthy nail growth. The ingredients are focused on providing essential moisture and nourishment to dry cuticles, which if left untreated can lead to painful hangnails and broken nails. With consistent use, it promises to leave your hands and nails feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. Now, I've been using this oil for a few weeks, and I must say, it's been an interesting experience. The application is pretty straightforward, just a few drops massaged into the cuticles and nails. The texture is light and non-greasy, which is a big plus for me. Some oils can feel heavy and leave a residue, but OPI's formula absorbs quickly without leaving that slick feeling behind. I've also used it after manicures and on days when my hands felt a bit dry from constant hand washing, and it's been gentle and soothing. As for the real-world performance, I found this oil to be effective in preventing my cuticles from drying out, especially during colder months. If you're someone who struggles with brittle nails or cuticles that peel and crack, this product could be a game changer. It definitely helped in restoring moisture and flexibility to my cuticles. I did notice some improvement in the overall appearance of my nails as well, with a subtle shine and healthier feel. Of course, no product is perfect. While the oil worked wonders in terms of moisture, I would have liked a little more immediate repair to some of the deeper cracks I had from dry skin. It's more of a preventative solution than a heavy-duty fixer-upper, so if you're dealing with particularly damaged cuticles, you might want to pair this with a stronger treatment or use it in combination with a thicker balm for extra hydration. When it comes to value, OPI is a trusted brand, but it's a bit on the pricier side compared to drugstore cuticle oils. However, the quality of the ingredients and the fact that it's from a brand known for salon-quality products makes it worth the investment, especially if you're looking for something you can rely on for regular use. For those who are on a budget, there are alternatives out there, but they may not deliver the same level of hydration and long-term results. As for the build quality, the bottle itself is sturdy, and the applicator is easy to use, dispensing just the right amount of oil with each drop. It's compact enough to carry in your purse or keep on your vanity, which makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. I did notice that it lasts a good amount of time, even with daily use, which makes it a good value in the long run. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other cuticle oils on the market, some of which are more budget-friendly. However, OPI's ProSpa does stand out for its more luxurious feel and the trust that comes with the brand. Other brands might be more affordable, but if you want a cuticle oil that feels like a mini spa treatment every time you use it, this one is worth considering. In conclusion, OPI's ProSpa Nail and Cuticle Oil is a solid product, especially for those who need a reliable, daily oil that nourishes and strengthens the nails. Its non-greasy formula makes it perfect for everyday use, and the added hydration is a definite plus. While it may not be the heavy-duty solution for extreme nail damage, it's definitely effective for maintenance and care. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.